In a class, 3/4 of the students do not know either English or Hindi. But 1/6 of the students know English. How many students know both English and Hindi if students who know Hindi are 1/8 of total students in the class? So 3/4 knows neither English nor Hindi. That means 1/4 knows English, Hindi or both. As given, 1/6 knows English and 1/8 of the students knows Hindi. So, what portion knows both Hindi and English? For that, we need to calculate 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. LCM of 4, 6 and 8 is 24. Using that, the equation becomes 6 by 24 minus 4 by 24 minus 3 by 24, which is minus 1 by 24. Since people cannot be negative in quantity, 1 by 24 of the class knows both languages. Now we have the next question. 3 by 5th of a group of children were girls. If there were 24 girls, then how many children were there in the group? We can represent the data in a diagram. So 3/5 of the total is 24. Cross multiplying, the total is 24 by 3 times 5. So, the total number of children in the group was 40. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be back with more.